How to use Wrike marketing projects properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Wrike is a powerful tool for managing marketing projects, but most beginners make mistakes that cost time, clarity, and results. You won't believe how often teams underutilize its features. The first mistake is not setting up your workspace correctly. Many users start creating tasks without defining folders, projects, or dashboards. Without structure, tasks get lost, deadlines are missed, and collaboration suffers. Begin by organizing projects into folders, defining clear tasks, and assigning responsibilities to the right team members. Another common error is ignoring task dependencies. Wrike allows you to link tasks so one cannot start until another is complete. Beginners often skip this, resulting in misaligned timelines and bottlenecks. For example, you can't launch an email campaign until the copy is approved. Setting dependencies ensures your marketing workflow runs smoothly. A third mistake is neglecting automation. Wrike offers workflow automation for recurring tasks, status updates, and notifications. Manually tracking these actions wastes time and increases errors. Automate approvals, reminders, and reporting wherever possible to save errors each week. Many beginners also fail to use dashboards and reporting. Wrike provides real-time insights into project progress, workload, and deadlines. Ignoring these tools means missing opportunities to optimize team performance and adjust timelines proactively. Finally, not collaborating effectively is a frequent error. Wrike allows team members to comment, attach files, and share updates directly within tasks. Skipping this results in scattered communication across emails or chat apps. Encourage your team to centralize all project communication within Wrike. To use Wrike marketing projects effectively, start with a structured workspace, set task dependencies, leverage automation, monitor dashboards, and centralize collaboration. Avoiding these beginner mistakes turns Wrike into a true marketing productivity powerhouse that keeps campaigns on track, teams aligned, and results high.